metro station in Milan, Italy. This la vedo sempre il film Also by Finish la vedo film 1993 and Misha Gianoli. These are Duomo Europa2000 and the second one has been modernized by Del Bo. Really nice and cool. Prego, passiamo da ascensori. No indications about cereal and kilograms. 12 person and kilograms. Really nice schedule. Built in 1990s. Really slow.
Really slow. It's very slow.
Yeah, really slow. Yeah, I think I arrived. I go up, I go down, I go down. I go down with this. Going down! And the second elevator has been modernized by Del Bo. Yes, Del Bo is also in Milan. Prego. Ma mi faccio l'altro. Voglio farmi anche l'altro. Modernized by Del Bo. No, bye bye. Europa2000 vado. Ma la marcavo tecnicatrice Del Bo. Ok. Going up with the other one, 12 person and kilograms. Stigler-OTIS Europa2000. Let's ride it. It's a little bit shaky, but the only thing is it is out of oil. Way to be hot. Yay. That's it. Duomo metro station.